So greetings from the apocalypse. This has to be one of the most fascinating human psychology experiments that's going around. Yes, it's serious, and COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever people want to call it. Yeah, we have to pay attention, we have to be diligent and vigilant. But I've just been to a supermarket up here in Toronto, and there were a lot of people panic buying. I mean, there was no garlic. There was a lot of the vegetables were gone. Don't even start talking about toilet paper. You know, it's still pretty well stocked, and I think the supermarkets are doing okay. But people are like shopping like it's the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. I think some people are going to get sick, and some people are worried. But here in Ontario, they've just shut schools for 3 weeks before spring break, and yeah, that's a big pressure. So there's some real consequences here to this whole COVID-19 situation that are beyond just getting sick. It strains on the logistics system. It strains on the family units that are going to have to spend a lot of personal time together, and it's really strains on society as a whole. You know what? Everyone's finding it to be completely ridiculous, but everyone's kind of in the same boat. Everyone's like buying a lot of food, a lot of wine and beer and things to like help them hunker down. What's going to come out at the end of this? Well, you know what? Restricted social connections is going to help slow things down, hopefully. And it seems like up here in Canada, we've got it pretty good. So we'll see what's going to happen. If you've got older relatives, you be careful out there, because there's still going to be problems. But yeah, I'm going to be reading and writing and really sharing a lot of opinions on what I'm seeing out there. And I think that we're in a world where anything can really happen. And you know what? Things are going to change from today forward.